This is 230835FY, State of Michigan versus Lisa McGrath. May I have your appearances, please?
Your Honor, good afternoon. Vincent Haysha appearing with and on behalf of Ms. McGrath, who's seated right next to me to my right.
Ms. McGrath, state your name for me, please.
Lisa Ann McGrath.
Thank you. Today is the day and time set for the arraignment in this matter. Mr. Haysha.
Your Honor, I'll wait formal reading and stand Ms. McGrath mute.
Thank you. Ms. McGrath, you have a right to be considered for pretrial release. There's a recommendation from Huron Township Police Department that your bond be set at 10,000, 10%, that you be submit to fingerprinting, and that you be prohibited from purchasing or possessing firearms. Mr. Haysha, your response to that recommendation?
Judge, certainly no issue with conditions 2 and 3, as well as no contact with her soon-to-be ex-husband. I'll indicate for purposes of the arraignment that Ms. McGrath voluntarily self-surrendered today. She was here last Thursday as well, as was I, so that was at the 34th District Court, and was advised that there was not a mechanism for her to be arraigned either Thursday or Friday, otherwise we'd have done this last week. We got in touch with the PD, arranged for this morning's turn-in. Although she's 46 years of age, no prior criminal history, she has a high school education with some college, currently a licensed esthetician. She's working as a medical assistant at Live Well Family Health. She has 2 children, family within this area. I recognize that the nature of the charges are felonious, I get that. I don't believe that Ms. McGrath is a flight risk nor a danger to the community at this point. I think reasonable conditions can ensure her presence in court. I'd ask that you consider a $10,000 personal bond. It's a property crime, Your Honor. She's going to be in court. She has retained counsel and she self-surrendered.
Thank you. Huron, do you take any position with this being a personal bond?
No, we'll leave it up to the court's discretion, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court has had the opportunity to review the criminal history and note that Ms. McGrath has none. She's appeared with retained counsel this afternoon. The court will deviate from the recommendation made by Huron Township and set your bond at 10,000 personal. Ms. McGrath, you don't need to post any money, but what you must do is be fingerprinted as previously indicated. You are prohibited from purchasing or possessing firearms, and you are to have no contact with the complainant in this case, Michael McGrath. And ma'am, no contact means no contact. No direct contact, no contact through third persons, no contact through social media. Should this court receive a report that you've made efforts to be in contact or communication with the complainant, it could be viewed as a violation of the terms of your bond. Your bond could be revoked, and you could spend the rest of these proceedings in custody. Do you understand?
I do.
Thank you. Your next hearing date will be Wednesday, November the 22nd at 9:30 a.m. That will be by Zoom in courtroom number 3 with Judge Green. Again, this file number is 230835FY. Next appearance date, November 22nd, 9:30 a.m. in courtroom number 3 by Zoom with Judge Green. Anything else, Mr. Haysha?
No, Judge, thank you.
Anything else, Huron?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. We'll get the paperwork over to you as soon as possible. Ms. McGrath, good luck to you. Have a good day.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Judge.
Thank you.
Thanks, Andy.
You're welcome. Thank you, Judge.